Hey there, today I'm going to show you how could you customize your own PC. So as you can see, this is my old look and this theme I'm going to download for my Rainmeter app. So let's get started. First we need is the Rainmeter exe. So here it is. So just click on it and install that. After doing that, just change your desktop view to hide icons and then just hide the taskbar. Now change your desktop background to this wallpaper and lock screen background to this wallpaper. After doing that, just install the Rainmeter app from the exe, and you also need a file. So my file is downloading in background. I have saved that file in the desktop, so we will see about that later. So now install the file, I mean Rainmeter, and also the file of that theme in the background. So it's about to run. Yeah, it's run. So just settings, and then you just have to clear that. So just clear it, undo it one by one. So and then just cross. Now all you need is to set the desktop icons to view in the view mode. Now, yeah, here, here my file. As you can see, my file is being downloaded. So just go to the documents, Rainmeter, and then skins. Now all you need is to drag that file in that place. Just like that. Now you have to install that. Now all you need is to install that theme. So just follow my steps for that. Now double click on the theme that we have pasted there, and then click on install. It may take a while. So as you can see, this is the settings of the theme and our theme is installed. So just cross the file explorer and hide the icons. Now close that and undo the skins that we don't want, like the power uses and network uses details. After undoing the skins, drag the skins to where you want, and then you're all good to go. If you like the video, just like it and subscribe the channel for supporting me. Thanks for watching this video.